Okay, kiddos. So yesterday we learned that Newrow made an update and you no longer have to go to tools to get to desktop share. All you have to do is go up to where it says desktop share, which makes it a lot easier. It's right there for you. Then this will activate the start screen share. Just go ahead and share your entire screen with me. I'm finding that to be a lot easier by clicking and highlighting the picture, and then the share button will activate. And then all you have to do is open up a new tab. Or I will also have in your breakout room, I'll also have the link to Star 360 in the chat. Let me grab that really quick. So I'll have, if you're screen sharing, let me open up the room chat here. So you'll also have it right in your room chat to click on, and then it will pull up for me, okay?